Hey guys, I'm Tina. Hey guys, so as you guys know, back 6 or 7 months ago, back in June 2020, I've started my YouTube channel, but I really never made a official channel trailer. So here it is, my official channel trailer. I really never thought about what it should be based off, so yeah, I started making a bunch of random videos of what I can see that is trending. Hopefully I'm getting views. But also, if you didn't know, I started my channel out of boredom because, come on, it was quarantine, everyone was bored, and I'm an only child and my life is the most boring, so I didn't have anyone around to be with. But yeah, my parents are working again, so I'm more lonely at home, as you guys know. But anyways, my channel is about studying related, productivity, those are kind of the same thing, note-taking, bullet journal, sometimes lifestyle if I'm really bored and just don't want to get into the whole academic life and stuff like that. But yeah, I post on Mondays and Fridays, but sometimes I only post on Mondays because I'm usually filled with a bunch of homework, exams, assignments, stuff like that, so I only post on Monday. But yeah, my plan is to post 2 days a week, but since all those gets in the way, it's only 1 day a week sometimes. But yeah, as you guys know, I also have my own website right here. I use the Milkshake app to make my website. It's free. Anything, you guys can all use it. I'll put it down in the description box below. But basically, my website has my FAQs, all my links to my social medias, and some with Black Lives Matter links. And yeah, I also have my top picks for stationery and topic productivity apps, and I have basically kind of like an advertisement-ish on my YouTube channel. But yeah, feel free to check it out, and a screen recording should be around here. But yeah, I also put all my studying related playlists on the cards right now, so right here. But yeah, so just a few days ago, it's January 6th right now, I have made my little quote thingy. I'm not sure what's it called because I can't think of it on the top of my head. But really, if you guys subscribe, you guys can join the family. You get it? Because my last name is Fam, and the PH sounds like it sounds like f, so it sounds like fam. So you put ILY next to it, comes family. I'm so smart. And I can't wait to see you guys in my future videos, and make sure to subscribe. Bye!